Hello guys, today I'm showing you how to use Raycast AI features. So, first let's open a Raycast on our desktop. Click on the two dots on the bottom left corner, click on Settings, and here just Window More Bigger. And let's click Search for AI here, and access the AI tool. So here you will find all the AI features that Request offers from models, starting from models. So here you can choose your AI model. I have Cloud, GPT, all the Pro, but most of them are Pro features, so just access the menu, the Profile. So you can choose to ask about a page or the commands of the AI. You can just create a new hotkey, so each command will be assigned to a hotkey. So we have the summary web page and proof writing. So fix spelling and grammar, and explains it is a simple term. So all the commands here, we have also AI extensions. So we have Tally, Flex1.pro, GPT image, Gemini image, all these. You can assign hotkeys to each AI extension. And this is pretty much it, guys. This is how to use AI modules and features and assign a hotkey to each one of them. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.